Imagine your dream city. Miami's neon beaches, Phoenix's endless golden hour, Barcelona's sun-drenched plazas. Now imagine them gone, not by war, not by disaster, but by AI as unblinking verdict. This is the 21st century. Supercomputers crunch billions of data points: sea level rise, temperature shifts, economic growth, housing trends, and migration patterns. Some iconic cities, New York, Athens, London, are teetering on collapse. Meanwhile, unexpected underdogs like Buffalo and Stockholm could dominate. The question is simple: is your hometown sitting on a golden ticket or a ticking time bomb? The U.S. Sunbelt: Phoenix, Las Vegas, Austin, Dallas. Once poster children of growth, affordable homes, booming tech campuses, endless sunshine. But paradise has a problem. Sunshine is about to become brutal. By 2050, Phoenix could see over 100 days a year above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 4 straight months of life-altering heat. And water, the foundation of civilization, is running out. The Colorado River, lifeline for 40 million people, is in crisis. Lakes Mead and Powell are at record lows. Without action, parts of the river could stop flowing. Droughts. Rivers shrink, aquifers stressed, and water costs skyrocket. Yet people keep moving in. Phoenix added 17,000 new residents last year. The irony? What was once paradise is turning into an experiment in heat economics where survival costs might outweigh the benefits of living there. U.S. coastal cities. Miami, New York, Boston, glamorous, fast-growing. Slowly drowning, Miami is built on porous limestone and sand. By 2050, NOAA projects up to 2 feet of sea level rise. That means sunny day flooding in neighborhoods that never flooded before. Insurance is vanishing. Homeowners pay premiums rivaling mortgages, or cannot get coverage at all. Property values collapse. Local economies falter. New York spends billions on seawalls and storm barriers, but its century-old subway system wasn't built for tropical downpours. Boston faces creeping floods threatening historic neighborhoods. Bottom line, wealth delays the ocean but cannot defeat it. Every pump, every barrier costs billions. Would you bet your savings on a city the ocean is already claiming inch by inch? The Rust Belt comeback. Detroit, Buffalo, Pittsburgh, the so-called forgotten cities, could be 2050's winners. Why? Water, moderate weather, space to grow. Buffalo, cool summers, fresh water, housing demand rising. Detroit, cheap land, vast infrastructure, reinventing industries around EVs and battery tech. Pittsburgh, healthcare, robotics, AI research, skilled workforce. Call it a Rust Belt renaissance. While other regions scramble, these cities sit on climate resilience. Europe's heat crisis: Spain, Italy, Greece, Mediterranean. Joules today. Pressure cookers by 2050. Average summer temperatures could exceed 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Crops fail, water resources strain, blackouts rise. Cities like Barcelona and Athens face tough adaptation challenges. Meanwhile, Northern Europe, Berlin, Stockholm, Glasgow, Copenhagen thrives. Berlin invests in urban cooling, green rooftops, water retention. Stockholm aims for fossil fuel-free by 2040. Copenhagen leads in cycling and renewable energy. Glasgow uses land and incentives to attract green tech startups. The North is turning drizzle into destiny, building economies to thrive, not just survive. Investors are watching real estate, insurance, even governments are moving before 2050. Inland cities like Buffalo, Minneapolis, Berlin attract investment. Land once seen as undesirable is now high demand. Coastal and Sunbelt zones see insurance premiums and mortgage restrictions rise. AI feeds this shift, crunching terabytes of infrastructure, migration, and disaster probability data. This isn't hype, it's a geographic reordering of wealth and population in real time. Conclusion: if you live in a high-risk zone, don't panic but prepare. Adaptation is survival. Seawalls, smarter water management, infrastructure for extremes. If you're in a sleeper city with steady weather, reliable water, and strong power grids, you might be sitting on a gold mine by 2050. AI isn't warning for drama. It's showing the blueprint for the future, where we'll lose, where we can win, and where the map is already being redrawn. The million-dollar question: will your city be a climate casualty or a safe haven? Stay informed. Stay ahead. The future is already arriving.